Hello folks, today's video we're going to be starting some seeds. Hello folks, this evening we're going to start planting some of our tomato seeds and also our pepper seeds, and I'll just show you here how we do it. We used to put 2 seeds in each cell. This time we're just going to do 1. You can probably hear a little girl down there chewing on her bone underneath of us here. Just going to set them in there like that there. And Carolyn is writing down the numbers as I plant them. Alright. And this year what we're going to try, we got some vermiculite. Just take some of that, it's real light, and just pour over top of the seeds. Just like that there. And it absorbs water real good. And also, it's supposed to keep the fungus down. Carolyn seen that on, what channel did you see that on, Shug?
Acre Homestead.
Acre Homestead. She's got a great channel also. And I'll go ahead and sort of press it down a little bit into the dirt. But we'll be covering it up with that vermiculite. This tomato here is a Dixie Red. It's supposed to be a good disease resistant. Now it is a hybrid, but we're going to give it a shot, see how it turns out. It's a good all-around, all-purpose tomato. Now I don't know about you, y'all leave it in the comments what your favorite tomato is. I would have to say my favorite tomato is the German pink. Pick that, sausage biscuit, some Duke's mayonnaise. I know there's some people out there that don't like Duke's. I just happen to be a fan of Duke's. A little bit of salt and pepper, 24 of these. Or we're going to plant 24 seeds anyway of them. Hopefully they all come up. The way this year went so far, I wouldn't count on it, but hopefully they will. Oh, got 2 seeds in that one. Now I just dampened the soil a little bit here with this garden sprayer. And then here in a little bit, it'll probably be dark when we get done planting these, but we'll have to carry them up to the greenhouse and we'll put them on the water bed. And I'll probably, that one little faucet nozzle I bought, we'll probably use that and just dampen the top real good, get that vermiculite good and wet, and then we'll just let them sit in there and rest. Do their thing. Now all we're doing is pour a little bit of vermiculite. You seeing that, Dan?
Yep.
Is our folks seeing that?
A little bit closer.
A lot of you probably already have got your seeds started. If not, maybe this will help you out a little bit. Like I said, I believe this is going to be a year. Going to need to try to raise as much of your own food as you can. What with groceries are skyrocketing and everything, gas, other stuff. Alrighty folks, the next ones we're going to be planting is Young's Way Ahead. You see that, Dan?
Cool. There we go. Here you go.
Alrighty folks. Tell you what we'll do, we'll go ahead and turn the camera off. That way we're not boring you. Whenever we go to the next tomato, we'll turn you back on and let you see. Alrighty folks, the next kind we're going to be doing here is Brandywine Pink. We've never tried the Brandywine Pink. I've heard good tales about it, so we're going to give it a try this time. Alrighty folks, we're going to be doing the German Pinks now. Going to be growing some of these for some guys at work also, and we try to usually have more tomato plants than what we need. Lord willing, they'll all come up this year. That I showed you with the vermiculite, I'd seen that on another channel. Growing Wisdom, I believe, was the channel, and so hopefully it'll work. We'll let you know. Yeah. And all these German Pink seeds, there's some that Carolyn had saved over. She's got them in different packs here. We'll have Daniel link the video how we did about saving the seeds. It's pretty easy. A little time consuming, but it's pretty easy. Okay. Alright, we're going to plant a few of these. They really grew good last year. There's Carolina Gold. We don't need as many of them this year, but we'll probably start seed wise 16 of them. Alrighty, we're going to try these seeds. They was actually come from a grocery store last year, and we're just going to give it a try. We're going to plant 8 of the seeds just to see what they do come up with. Okay, Dan. Alrighty, now we're going to plant some hillbillies. And in case you don't know, the hillbilly kind is sort of look like the Mr. Stripely. See, Daniel, we were messing with the camera. He's probably cutting my head off before or something. I don't know. Was you? Did you cut my head off?
It was cutting it off before.
Dang it, Dan. Of course, the way I look, I probably need my head cut off anyways. Maybe that was a good move, Dan. Would help if I curves the right spot. Alrighty folks, what next is Primo Red. Alrighty folks, the next one is the Mountain Vineyard Tomato. That was our free pack of seeds from Hoss Tools when we used the code COGSquad22. If you order something from Hoss Tools, use that as the promo code. Oh, they even give us a little thing to go along with it. And they're pelleted seeds. We'll let you know how they turn out. Now folks, it says there's 10 seeds in the pack. They gave you extra. Alright. 15 seeds we got. So now we'll need to put, I'll put this little feller here. We're writing our numbers on the side so we keep track of what they are. This one here will be a special little seed here. Special. Okay folks, the next one is Bellatrix. It is a paste tomato. That's what we're moving into now. Good for your sauces and dice and whole tomatoes. Canning tomatoes. Sauces. Okay. Should see if you can get that opened up a little bit more to get them seeds out. Hello, baby girl. Little Dixie's come in here with us now, check on us. Probably come to see if we's done yet. Get it open, Jug?
Try.
Okay. That it? So stuck in the corner down there. Having a hard time, folks. This can be on the blooper reel. There's some seeds stuck down there in the side. Get it? 13. Maybe we shouldn't have got that seed out. Now, I will mark that there. Don't want to miss out on any of the cells. So what we'll do, that's number 11. Number 12. We're going to try these San Marzano. It's another paste tomato, folks. That'll be number 12. Okay. Alrighty, folks. Here's our tried favorite true tomato. It's the Roma. That there's great, just all around tomato. You can eat it. You can, of course, you can eat all of these, folks. Great for canning, sauces. That's our favorite there for as far as canning. Putting like I said, German pink. If I got any sausage biscuits and Duke's mayonnaise, I can eat one of them right now. Okay, Dan. Folks, hope I didn't bore you. We'll be having some more seed videos coming up here. The next couple parts of this, we'll be having our peppers and everything. I'd like to thank all of you for watching. If you haven't already, please like and subscribe. Hit the little bell notification and share it with your friends, folks. And you all have a great day. And thank you again for watching.